Hey there, mobile gamers. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the best gaming tips and tricks. Today, I'm revealing an incredible secret that will take your gaming experience to the next level. Easy tutorial how to get unlimited cash and coins with this amazing Township hack guide. This hack tool is super user-friendly, works on both iOS and Android mobile device. No need jailbreak, rooting, or even a computer. I've tested it myself, and it works without any problems. As you can see, the resources were delivered straight to my account. Ready? Let's start from the beginning. Slowly, step by step. First, we need to locate our user ID. This is super important. We will need it in the next step. To find it, open the app, go to your profile, and look for your unique user ID. Copy it, or write down somewhere because we'll need it in the next step. Got it? Awesome. Let's move on. Next, open your favorite browser and head to this site. This site has hacks for tons of popular games and apps, but today we're focusing on Township hack. Use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the hack for Township and just click on it to open the dedicated hack page. Easy, right? Let's keep going. Now, here's where the magic starts. You'll see a form asking for some basic details. Here's what to do. Choose your platform. Select iOS or Android. Enter your username, your user ID from earlier. Double-check that everything is correct and hit Connect button. The system will now link to the game servers. This is fully automated and 100% secure. Just sit tight for a moment. Once your account is connected, you'll see an option to choose your resources. Pick how much you want, then tap Generate. The system will start injecting the mod, setting up proxies, and bypassing security measures. This takes a minute or two, so be patient. Almost there. The last step is quick verification. This confirms you're a real player and not a bot. You'll need to complete a simple task, like downloading an app or answering a short survey. It's super easy and takes just a few minutes. If you're unsure, the site includes a video tutorial to guide you through. Just follow the steps, and you'll be done. Once you've completed the verification, the resources will be added to your account instantly. It's that simple. I've already completed this process myself, so I won't be doing it again here. But trust me, it's super easy and worth the effort. After completing all the steps, I go back to the Township and check this out. My cash and coins balance is loaded up after a couple of seconds. Now, I can enjoy the game without worrying about running out of cash and coins. And that's it. If this guide helped you, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Got questions? Drop a comment below and I'll try to help when I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome gaming hacks and tricks. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy gaming. See you in the next video.